What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. This one and the next one and the next one are going to be phenomenal. So just make sure to subscribe. Y'all don't want to miss it because I lucked out and I'm still getting things like, and I don't use bots. It's just my month, I guess. So to start with, let me just say thank you to Social Status. I'm going to split this between two videos because it's otherwise going to take like 15, 20, 30, 40 minutes, whatever, to be able to get through this. But this is technically my first pair, and I got two on a raffle. So that just shows you how I lucked out. Even the guy there couldn't believe it. The next video is going to have the clip of me picking it up and everything else. So make sure to check that one out too. So let's get into it. Get rid of the bag. Bam! Y'all know this box, right? Size 12. Now this one is going to be a breather. It's the Pharrell Adidas NMD Hue Trail Holi Festival Pack in the chalk coral colorway. Look how brizzite these are. Bam. And you notice how I have a different colored mat today. It's because of how light these are. I've been noticing lately that the actually, I'm just going to get rid of this one. I really like how they do the element look to it. And, you know, they put the 2018 and all that good stuff with the multicolor deal. But yeah, I went ahead and did black because these are light colored. And I've been noticing that my light colored shoes lately have been kind of washed out a little bit. So look how vibrant these are. Now, this pack has an incredible story. These look great, actually. And if you notice, it says Hue right there. That's in Hindi. So this is meant for like human. There's three different ones. There's the black ones, which I also copped. And they've got the pink ones, which are like glow pink or whatever. Now the black ones say equality, and in Sanskrit it also has equality written in that. This is hue for human and written in Hindi. And then the pink glow, I believe it has joy written on it. And then it's also got it written in, I believe, like Hindi or something like that. Now, the colorways of this, there were actually four, including the blank canvas colorway that released like a few weeks ago. There's four colorways, including that one, in this Holi pack. Now, the basis of that is like the Holi Festival in India. These actually released first in India because of that, and then, you know, moved over here. Look at those. They even come with like a coral color, like a peach, extra pair of laces with the green laces. Now, just to jump into it first, you see the tie-dye look all over it. It has a TPV, purple TPV, midfoot cage with the laces. It's got the green inside to match back here with your typical three stripes. And you got the boost midsole with the kind of coral pink trail outsole, and that's for like better grip and stuff like that. I really don't mind the trail outsole. In my opinion, it's just more to wear down, because I mean, you got the ones with like the NMD bottoms or the Ultra Boost bottoms or whatever, and those wear down kind of quick. So I do like this better grip and everything. You can't really go wrong with that. Now, back to what I was saying, the Holi Festival is actually a spiritual festival that celebrates color and love and it's meant to bring in the spring. It's just like celebrating the beginning of spring. So that's why this colorway specifically and the pink glow are meant to represent that kind of colored powder that they throw at each other. And, you know, not to mention the apparel that released for this has the colorway that matches this right here. A little bit lighter, but it matches this particular pair of shoes. And it mainly represents that. So it looks like you've been hit with like powder, a color powder and everything. Which is pretty cool. I mean, if you guys have watched anything on like the History Channel or Science Channel, stuff like that, you've probably seen a few of these. I remember seeing this one like 10 years ago about this festival going on where they're throwing like bags of paint powder at each other and stuff like that, and they're just running around the streets having a good time. Like Mardi Gras minus the beads per se. Now, Pharrell with this pack mainly wanted to cover the energy, color, and spirituality of that Holi Festival. And I think he did a really good job. I mean, you got the blank canvas, which is basically exactly that. You start the festival with a blank canvas, completely clean, everything. And the dark ones, the black, the core black equality ones, show basically everybody's equal. At the end of it, everybody's equal because everybody's covered in paint. Everybody basically looks like this. Humanity has come together as one, and everybody looks the same. So you can't go wrong with that. You know, I mean, he went pretty deep in this pack, and I am very, very glad that I was able to cop two of the four. A friend of mine got the blank canvases, and Social Status didn't carry the pink ones, and the pink ones were more for the girls. I knew quite a few girls that copped those. I couldn't pull that off. I probably could barely pull this off. So, but I'm keeping the black ones for sure. That is my colorway through and through. More than likely, I'm going to keep these just for, you know, special little occasions and whatnot. Now, I got some B-roll. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to save the B-roll for the end. I'm going to go ahead and do an on foot of these just so you can see what's going on with them and how good they look. These things look absolutely amazing on foot. They are so comfortable. These, everybody says that Boost is different from shoe to shoe, and believe me, it is. NMDs, Ultra Boost, Yeezys, you name it, it's different. For some reason, this is super duper soft. Like, this has way more give than most other ones. Like, it's just like a cloud. Like, you see how much my thumb goes in there? Like, I can't do that to my Ultra Boosts. It has, I don't know, it's just different. I don't know how to explain it. Even with the R2s, the ones that have like a lot of boost, it still doesn't go in like that. I'm barely pushing on it, and it's going in a good amount. So, yeah, how many of y'all cop these? Adidas gave me some issues, And I even had my mom on it, had my wife on it. Like it just did not work out. But right after they said sold out, like 15 minutes later, I got a text message on my phone saying I got the black ones, and my mom texted me saying that she won these. So I speechless, needless to say. So how many of y'all copped them? What colorways did you cop? What's your favorite colorway? Make sure to check out this video for the giveaway when we reach 1,000 subs. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and make sure to follow me on social media. Links are in the description. I've got the video coming out next on the core black of these, so make sure to check that out. Y'all definitely don't want to miss that, and especially for the intro, because Homeboy drops, you know, a few little hints of how they do their raffles and stuff like that. So definitely check that out. Yeah, until next time, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.